told Alicia, you know, you gotta make more cameos in my video because if shit pops off,
I'll be like, oh, that was me in that video. Oh shit, that one too. That one too. That one too.
Poke. Look at that. That's Alfie's. Oh yeah. I want it to rain so bad.
Just wait till I get home.
That too. I am going to do some handiwork. I'm going to put this cabin air filter in my Prince Heisenberg. Stay tuned. This is Prince Heisenberg. Prince Heisenberg is a 2016 Toyota Corolla. Got tinted windows that I need to get redone. Big Star Wars fan. A little bit all over. Yeah, this is my baby. I think I just got cleaned from the rain, so I thank the rain gods again for cleaning my car. Let's get in this bed. Alright guys, I'm actually kind of afraid to get into my car, put this cabin air filter in my car, because the last couple times that my car was taken in to get serviced, the first time they told my dad that they found like a little feet print on the engine, like on the top of the engine. The second time we went in, I picked up the car and the guy had told me, oh, it looks like something's eating at your cabin air filter. Yeah, you might want to be careful. So my dad was like, yeah, we need to get traps because we live in a new area. Now that we're out here kind of where there's a lot more, I guess you could say, environment, a lot more creatures. That there might be something in my car, maybe not. I'm fingers crossed not, but let's take you inside. So just YouTube literally how to take it out. Got that off from there. Opened that up from this. Took that out. That's kind of gross. Don't judge me. I'm a girl. I'm not supposed to know everything about cars. So this is the new nice one. It's so clean. This goes in. This goes in there like that. This goes back in here. Goes like that. In, guys. Yay! 1 second. Boom. Done. Dirty, but I'll clean it. So now I need to change the air filter, which I guess is under the hood of the car. I've never really done this before, so I'm gonna watch a YouTube video, see how to do it myself, and let me show you guys one. Open the hood, or yeah, the hood of the car, and there are little feet print all over my engine. That's weird. I don't know where these little critters are at, but it's like I said, moved to a new area, and yeah, there's lots of wildlife out here. So now on to change the air filter. A YouTube video and learning where the where the air filter is, engine air filter. Took this off, found this under there, took this out, which yeah, totally looks dirty on camera and in person. So now I'm going to put the new one in. Alright. That was easy. But I can't get the hood down. So at least I'm one-handed. Hold. This is cool. Hold on. That was loud. Happy Saturday. Happy Sunday, sister. You know, it's Sunday.